And we are back with another Asvab question. Micah can ride his bicycle 42 miles in 3 hours. Assuming that he travels at the same speed, how long would it take Micah to ride 70 miles? Let's break this down. All right. We know that Micah can ride 42 miles in 3 hours. But before we answer that, first head to asvabdrill.com and fill out the form for your free Asvab study guide, and we'll send it directly to your email inbox. So we want to find out how many hours it will take to ride. So first we should set up the proportion relating distance to time. Here's our formula. Distance 1 time 1 equals distance 2 time 2. So that would be our formula. Then we just plug in the known values. 42 miles in 3 hours and a distance of 70 miles in X hours, where we're solving for X here. All right? So let's clean up our board here, so we can write this out nice and cleanly. Let's set up our problem. Once again, we have 42 over 3 equals 70 over X. Now, you know, for proportion problems, we cross multiply. Here's how it would look. 42 times X equals 3 times 70. You can also write it like that if it makes it easier for you. 42 times X gives us 42X equals 3 times 70, 210. All right? Now all we have to do is divide both sides of the equation by 42. Giving us X equals 210 over 42. And now we just simplify. And to simplify, you would divide 210 by 42. Well, 42 goes into 210, we know this, 5 times. Let's make some space here. You can do the long division. So 42 goes into 210 5 times. 42 times 5 is 210. Remainder 0. So the answer is 5. X equals 5. Therefore, it will take Micah 5 hours to ride 70 miles. All right, that's all for today. And remember, for more math practice questions like these, go to asvabdrill.com. And you can check out our course where we have different math problems laid out for you. Exclusive for Asvab Drill members. See you guys later.